Ever wondered how creators magically remove those vivid green backgrounds from their photos, making their subjects pop as if they were shot in a professional studio? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the simple, effective process of removing a green screen in Photoshop 2024. Whether you're prepping a product photo, jazzing up your profile pic, or diving into creative design, you'll finish this video with a crisp, clean image ready for your next project. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Photoshop. If you're new to Photoshop, just launch the app. You'll see a workspace ready for creativity. Next, select your image with the green screen you want to edit. Click to open the file. Now, before we do anything else, look at your Layers panel on the right. If your image layer is locked, just give it a double click to unlock. That's important because a locked layer will stop us from making edits or applying masks later. Don't worry, it's a quick step, but it really opens the door to all of Photoshop's powerful tools. At this stage, we want to tell Photoshop which part of the photo is the green screen, so it knows what to get rid of. Go up to the top menu and click Select. This menu holds all the choices for selecting areas of your image, but today we need something precise. So click on Color Range. Think of Color Range as a careful spotlight. It lets you select specific colors throughout your photo, which is perfect for a uniformly green background. Here comes a crucial part. When the Color Range window opens, use your cursor to sample the green background by clicking on it. For trickier images, hold down Shift as you click. This adds more shades of green to your selection. Sometimes green screens have slight variations or shadows, so don't worry about clicking a few spots in the green area until it looks well selected in the preview. This step might take a few moments, especially if your background isn't a perfect flat green. But patience here means a cleaner final cutout. Once you're satisfied and the preview highlights your green background, click OK. Now, you should see those marching ants, dotted lines, showing your selection. Our next move will refine things further. Grab the Object Selection tool from the toolbar, usually found on the left. This tool is great for isolating your main subject, like a person or product, away from the background. In some cases, you might want tighter control, so don't worry if the edges look a bit rough. We'll clean up in the next steps. Right-click on your image. From the options, click Select Inverse. What that does is flip the selection from the background to the subject itself. Think of it like switching from painting the walls to painting the door. It helps Photoshop know precisely what part you want to keep. Finally, with the subject selected, click the Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. This is where the magic happens. Photoshop creates a mask that reveals your subject and hides the green screen, giving you a professional, seamless cutout. If you spot any leftover green edges, you can use the brush tool on the mask to gently touch up, or apply feathering for a softer finish. And there you have it. With these steps, you've removed the green screen in Photoshop 2024, ready for a new background or just a cleaner image. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and leave a comment below with any questions. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing.